The law enforcement of code of ethics. As a law enforcement officer, my fundamental duty is to serve, maintain, to safeguard lives and property, to protect the innocent against deception, the weak against oppression or intimidation, and the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all, maintain courteous calls in the face of danger. Scorn or ridicule, develop self-resistant, and be constantly mindful of the welfare of others. Honest in my thought and deed in both personal and official life. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the land and the regulation of my department. Whatever I see or hear of confidential nature or that is confident to me in my official capacity will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in the performance of my duty. I will never act officially or permit personal feelings, prejudices, animosity, or friendship to influence my decision with no compromise for crime, and with relentless prosecution of criminals. I will enforce the law, courteously and opportunely, without fear or favor, malice or ill will, never employing unnecessary force or violence, and never accepting gratuities in return. I recognize the badge of office as a symbol of public faith and accept it as a public that to be held too long as I am true to the ethics of police service. I will never engage in the act of corruption or bribery, nor will I condone such as act by other police officers. I will cooperate with all illegally authorized agencies and their representatives in the pursuit of justice. I know that I alone as a responsible for my own standard of professional performance, and I will take every reasonable opportunity to enhance and improve a level of knowledge and competence. I will constantly strive to achieve those objectives and ideals, dedicating myself before God